My name is Frank Rubino, and this is a 1935 Georges Irat French sports car. Georges Irat was a very small, low production company that specialized in making custom built sports cars. The company was so small that they actually didn't even have dealers. You would go to the factory, you would order the car, you'd sit with their designer, and you'd design the paint scheme that you wanted, so no two were painted the same. Each owner would select his own mascot, so no two have the same mascot. The same thing with the interiors. The interior, you would select what hides you wanted. Most of these cars had very unique skins. This particular car originally and now again has an ostrich skin interior. Some of them had alligator, some crocodile, some snake. They had all different types of custom interiors. Basically, the car was a baby Bugatti. It was a very elegant little French sports car, very quirky. In fact, as you're on this side, the driver's side, you'll notice there's no driver's side door. And the only explanation for that is because it's French. It has a turned aluminum dashboard, which can you imagine the amount of labor put in to make that dashboard? It also has custom luggage made from the same ostrich as the seats have. The engine, in fact, the whole mechanicals of the car is quite unique. The engine is turned 180 degrees with the transmission in front of the engine. It's a front-wheel drive car. The drive shafts come directly off the back of the transmission, and as I say, front-wheel drives. If you notice this rod here, this is the shift rod that goes all the way to the shift, goes through the dashboard, and comes out here with this white-handled knob. Again, the car was very elegant. If you look again, it's the turned aluminum entire firewall. It's actually a very beautiful engine compartment. I happened to be in Paris at Art Curel a couple of years ago, and at the auction, this car came up. Not in this condition by far. This car's going through a complete 2-year restoration. But the potential was there, and they only made 54 of this model, and there's only 8 or 9 known to exist. So it was a very unique and rare car and a great opportunity to purchase it. So that's where I got the car and the reason I got it. It's a fun driving car. It's not a particularly fast car. It's only 37 horsepower, and it'll do about 50, 55 miles an hour at best. It's more comfortable cruising around between 40, 45. And that's what it was made for, to be an elegant little sports car. I think the most elegant cars ever made were the French sports cars of the 30s. The Delahaye's, the Delages, the Talbot Lagos, the Bugattis. I think those cars were just absolutely wonderful. They were all works of art. This car it's not very well known because so few were made. For example, a Bugatti Atalante, they made, I think, 475 of them. They only made 54 of these. So they're not well known at all, but when people see them, they get quite excited over them because they're so unique and I believe so beautiful. But this is really my favorite era of cars, the 30s and European sports cars.